Hey everyone, this is Nicole from NUTLEY Kia. I want to show you this 2015 Kia Optima LX equipped with Bluetooth Sirius XM radio. It's 4-cylinder engine, gasoline direct injected. You have gray cloth inside. You have 16-inch wheels. Back seat is very spacious. The seats do fold down in the back, 40-60 split. Here would be the handles. You have a nice sized trunk. For more information or you would like to test drive this vehicle, please give us a call at 973-667-0500. Thanks.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.